Hey guys, today I have a cool review for you of these two beautiful stamping plate holders that are from Clear Jelly Stamper. This one here is the Holo Gorgeous, and it's meant to hold their small square plates. And seriously, look at how shiny it is. And this one, which is my personal favorite, is the Holo Stunning. This one is meant to hold their large rectangular stamping plates. The big one can hold up to 14 plates, and the small one can hold up to 20. So for the small one, these are the plates that fit in it. This cute little plate is "You Are My Sunshine," if ever you wondered. So now I'll go ahead and put the plates in their holder. As you can see, the plates go in by the side, and what's good is that there's enough space to put 2 plates in each little pouch. This second plate is called Layers of Love, and by the way, sorry if it's upside down. This holder closes with a really strong clip, which is very good because it won't open when you don't want it to. I love the quality of the material of the pages because it doesn't seem like it's going to break down at any moment like other holders that I've seen. Now for the big holder, these are the plates that go in it. This particular plate is my all-time favorite, and it's called Diamonds and Ice. I absolutely love how easy it is to flip the pages of this holder. And another thing that I love is that the pages are really transparent and you can see your plates perfectly. They're also super easy to slide in. Another thing that makes this holder my favorite is that the plates go in from the top. I've been looking for a holder like this for a long time, and I love this one because being made this way, the plates don't slide out. So that's it for this review. I really hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.